Trends. Hi, Jane.
Hi, girls. Talk about
exciting, too. Yay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We're talking about trends in the kitchen that you're going to see all these products and ideas on your store shelves and in your home in the year ahead. So it's super exciting.
Nice.
I brought 3 trends and I brought you some food.
Nice.
I love it. I can smell it.
Yes.
Heat coming off the stove right now.
It's so good. So let's talk about the first trend. It's called Connection is the New Occasion. And what does that mean? That means you don't need a holiday anymore to get together. All you need to do is pop over, have some time together, just connect with each other. How do we do that?
I love that.
Make it simple. Make it simple. Yeah, so we're talking about one-pot meals. So this is a multi-cooker by Lotus. It is absolutely gorgeous and stunning. It does it all. You could do your rice, it slow cooks, it sears, everything. Leave it in here, and guess what? Spending more time with your friends.
Nice.
Yes.
That's incredible.
And it's got so many functions on it, and it's just simple because you can have a game at your ready, and you can have some cocktails, and you can hang out, some drinks. Now, moving on also to our Dutch oven and crock pot. These are from Gibson Housewares. This is their version of the crock pot. What it is inside for you guys is a little bit of dill pickle soup. So while I'm telling you about all these amazing trends, I want to serve this up. But again, like, you remember the crock pot? You guys want a little taste?
Yeah.
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 Crock pot days of old. I got spoons right here.
Wow.
Yeah, hold on. We need a little garnish for you. So the crock pot.
Oh yeah, let her garnish.
A little garnish. Hold on. The crock pot launched at the Inspired Home Show it launched 80 years ago. And this is their version of the crock pot.
And mine does not look like that. That is so modern and sleek looking.
Isn't that beautiful?
I would leave that out on my counter.
There you go. You guys enjoy your dill pickle soup.
Too, the dill pickle trend right now.
Thank you for knowing the dill pickle trend, because the dill pickle trend was strawberries last year, and now it's all about the dill pickle. So this is dill pickle soup for you in the Gibson Housewares version of a crock pot.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Never thought I would really.
I'm a huge pickle fan though, so I was like excited to try this.
This is delicious.
It's really good, right? It's like a potato soup, in case you're wondering. Okay, and then this is a 7-quart Martha Stewart Dutch oven. I've got a little pulled pork in there for you guys.
We'll take some of that,
you get that later. That's gorgeous. But this, again, in the oven, on the stove, easy, one-pot meals, simple, and you're done. And you can spend time with your friends. So that is Connection is the New Occasion.
That's huge. That's huge.
Now, everybody's jumping on the America 250 bandwagon. Of course, it is a big celebration for the United States. This is not just a one-day trend. This is all year. Like, we're thinking all 4th of July, but no, let's celebrate America for the entire year. So I saw tons of products, red, white, and blue. Let me give you a sample. These super cute tumblers, red, white, and blue tumblers. They're from Silly Pint.
That's so cool.
I know, how festive and fun. Of course, we've got our Swell water bottle from Lifetime Brands. One of my favorites is this Lodge cast iron skillet. You're like, okay, cool, cast iron skillet. On the back is stamped with the American flag.
How cool. That's awesome.
I know, I love this. And they've come out with a new collection. It's called the Road Series. So they have every state stamped on the back. So hello, Indiana, let's go, right?
Awesome.
And then from Totally Bamboo, this is just the shape of the United States. Cutting board.
That's nice.
I know, isn't that so fun? But again, get festive. The bakeware set from Tramontina, a beautiful company, beautiful items. I love it. I've made you guys some cake.
Wow.
Look at that.
A little hundreds of thousands on your cake and some mac and cheese to go with your pulled pork. But again, let's celebrate. How fun are these little lanterns from Tag?
Yeah, these are cute.
I know, but decorate, have some fun. And when we talk about having some fun, it's
I'll let
all
you go this way.
Okay.
Switch me.
I'm sorry.
No,
it's
you're
all
good.
about personality in the kitchen, and so nobody is matchy anymore. We want you to be your true, authentic self. So we're seeing tons and tons of bright colors, fun bowls. Look at these colorful bowls from Signature Housewares.
I want some of these.
Yeah,
So cute.
I know. And by the way, you're going to fill it with food, and then you're going to be like, eat up so I can look at the bowl some more. It's so cute.
Seriously.
And then I know you're going to love this. This is a heart-shaped cast iron Dutch oven. It's all heart-shaped.
It's so cute.
And it's also the color of the year, which is Cloud Dancer.
Oh.
So that's just fun to have in your kitchen. And then these Snoopy bowls, they have a comic strip all the way around. So every time you're eating your cereal, you're reading the comic strip.
It's so cute.
Good volume in there too. Those are good sized
I know,
bowls.
right?
Yeah.
You can get a lot out of that. And then this is a soy wax candle.
This is not a candle.
It's a
my
candle.
gosh.
I've been eyeing
I
that.
literally thought
How
that was
cute.
dessert.
That is from Common Sense by Taylor
my
E.
gosh.
It looks like dessert, and it smells like
makes
dessert.
me want to eat it. Smell that. That smells delicious.
It's sugar cookie.
Oh my gosh, it smells like the real thing.
I
Like
know.
you just baked this.
So it's about making your kitchen fun, your authentic self. You didn't come here to see my kitchen. You came to have some fun.
Yeah.
And, you know, you have to clean and do dishes, so throw some fun towels, splash of color. vintage
Cute.
vibe, whatever you have.
Cute. I like this too.
Isn't that cute? That's from our friends at Tag. I mean, it could be decor, but it's also just a bird cage or a birdhouse.
Yeah.
You can put that outside.
My husband makes fun of me because there are certain dinners where I love to pull out our funky looking dishes that have the patterns, the bright colors, like tacos, and there's certain dishes that I love to serve on the bright colored plates. He makes fun of me for it, but I'm like, it's part of it. It makes, that's how I feel good in the kitchen.
That's right. It makes you happy and it makes you smile. By the way, you're going to go back and say, I am on trend. Kitchens with personality. That's what we're doing. That's exactly
This
it.
is trendy.
Yeah. I love this.
What are these?
This
I don't
is,
know if we talked about these.
These are scrubbers. They're from Genuine Fred. They're so much fun because, by the way, being authentic in the kitchen, you still have to clean.
Yeah.
But you might as well have fun when you're cleaning and like just add it to your kitchen and have some fun with it.
What's your personal favorite way to be your authentic self in the kitchen?
I'm all about the pops of color. So if you're saying, Jane, what's our trend? I mean, like your authentic self could be just vintage vibe or buying things that are upcycled and mixing it with new, but mine is bright colors and lots of fun in the kitchen. And I am of the mantra of more is more and less is a bore. So the more color, the more texture, the more food, the bigger setup, the better it is.
I love that.
But also remember, it's about still being with your friends and your family that come over. So being able to do that, incorporating these beautiful bowls with your one-pot cooking, I mean, I really just think all of the trends really blend into one another. Yeah. What's yours?
I think it is also the bright like the dishware. The way I serve food is where I find myself.
And
you
it's
know
fun.
what I mean?
It makes you happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I honestly, dish towels, I know it sounds silly, but that's such a way to like add a pop of color in the kitchen or add a little bit of design. I think I'm drawn to those.
I love that because you guys have this gorgeous kitchen, you add a pop of color to it.
It does
you
a
can
lot.
change the look every week.
Yeah.
Every day.
And it could be a
That's what I
talking
do.
point when you're in there with your guests or talk,
I don't know why I'm obsessed with dish towels, but
I love that. I love that you're obsessed with dish towels. We'll give you some dish towels. You're fine.
Well, we're obsessed with you. Thank you so much for being in the kitchen. It's been wonderful. So you guys stick with us here for more Lifestyle Live at 10. We will be chatting with our friends from Indie Film Fest about a special event celebrating cinema and design. Don't go anywhere.
thank you so much.